Money is one of the oldest struggles in human history. For thousands of years, people have worked, earned, and still wondered why they couldn't hold on to wealth. That's why The Richest Man in Babylon is such a timeless book. Written almost 100 years ago, George Clason told financial lessons through parables set in ancient Babylon. The stories feel simple, but the principles inside them are powerful, and they work just as well today as they did thousands of years ago. And before we dive in, if you want tools to start applying these lessons right away, click the link in the bio. I've put together free resources to help you take action and grow your wealth. The book centers on Arkad, a man who went from being poor to becoming the richest man in Babylon. People asked him, "How did you do it?" His answer became a set of rules for building wealth. Let's break down the most important ones. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Arkad teaches that no matter how much you earn, you must keep a portion for yourself. At least 10% of every coin you touch. Most people do the opposite. They spend everything and try to save what's left over, which is usually nothing. But when you pay yourself first, you build wealth automatically. Rule 2. Control your expenses. The book warns against confusing wants with needs. As income grows, so do desires, and before long, even the wealthy feel poor. Arkad advises that wealth isn't about earning more, it's about living below your means. The man who spends all he earns, no matter how much, will remain broke. And if these principles are already making sense, pause for a second and hit that subscribe button. I share timeless financial lessons like this every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Rule 3. Make your money work for you. In the parables, Arkad calls this making your gold multiply. Don't just let savings sit idle. Invest them. When your money earns money, and that money earns more money, you create streams of wealth that grow without your labor. Today, we'd call this passive income, investing in businesses, real estate, or stocks that build wealth while you sleep. Rule 4. Protect your wealth. Babylon was full of people who lost fortunes chasing quick riches. Arkad warns against giving money to people without experience or investing in things you don't understand. In modern terms, don't gamble on get-rich-quick schemes, sketchy crypto coins, or too-good-to-be-true promises. Seek advice from the wise, invest only in what you know, and keep your money safe. Rule 5. Own your home. In ancient Babylon, land ownership gave stability. Today, it means building equity instead of renting forever. When you own your home, you turn an expense into an investment. Over time, this asset grows and supports your financial freedom. Rule 6. Increase your ability to earn. Arkad says a man's wealth grows with his skills. Never stop improving yourself. Learn new skills, sharpen old ones, and grow your value to others. The more valuable you become, the more opportunities and income will follow. Education and self-improvement are some of the best investments you'll ever make. The book also teaches about generosity. Wealth isn't just about keeping money, it's also about using it wisely to help others and improve your community. True prosperity spreads. So what's the ultimate lesson of The Richest Man in Babylon? Wealth isn't magic, and it isn't luck. It's the result of habits. Save first, spend wisely, invest carefully, protect your assets, keep learning, and give back. These principles worked in ancient Babylon. They worked in 1926, and they still work today. And before you go, remember this. Wealth takes time, but it is inevitable if you follow the rules. So don't forget to subscribe for more book breakdowns like this, and check the link in the bio for free resources to help you apply these timeless lessons right now.